We are pleased to show you the 2021 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.